Honorable Minister Mr. Rahman Khan ji, distinguished members of the organizing committee, invitees, delegates, and ladies and gentlemen. At the very outset, I would like to thank the organizers of this international conference for giving me this opportunity this evening to share a few thoughts with the distinguished guests who have come here to attend the Carcinogenesis 2012. I'm highly impressed by the distinguished participants and the range of topics being and will be discussed in the technical session. As you're aware, millions of Indians today have no access to even primary health facilities due to various reasons, including affordability. In fact, 70 to 80% of the total healthcare expenditure in India is on account of private sector. It's estimated that 90% of the private healthcare is being serviced by unorganized sector, which refers to basically nursing homes, for-profit or non-profit hospitals with less than 100 beds, while the organized sector refers to corporate hospitals, non-profit hospitals, groups that have more than one hospital. It's also pertinent to mention the best of healthcare facilities in India are located in the metros, but the scenario beyond the urban conglomerate are not really encouraging. It's estimated that 39 million Indians fall below the poverty line every year because of health expenses. 70% of all their incomes on healthcare and goes to buying medicines, and 30% in rural areas don't visit hospitals as they are too poor to afford expenses, medical expenses. Given the above facts, the scene is not comfortable when it comes to non-communicable diseases like cancer, cardiovascular problems, diabetes. It's estimated that mortality and morbidity on account of these diseases will increase dramatically in the next 5 years. Cancer, the most dreaded amongst these diseases, is on the rise in this country at an alarming rate. At any given point of time in India, there are 3 million cancer patients and 1 million new cases are added every year. The world has witnessed a great technological advancement and innovations in the diagnostic and therapeutic fields of cancer care. However, the genesis of the complex disease is yet to be decoded. I feel that there is need for a paradigm shift in the health care strategy by giving predominance to preventive aspects of the disease rather than treatment. An effective awareness program coupled with proper training of health workers and screening programs will go a long way in mitigating the incidence of any disease, especially cancer, rather than focusing only on diagnosis and treatment. I'm sure it's only through such international conferences like Carcinogenesis 2012 that the governments can be sensitized to focus on the core subject of prevention of cancer, for that matter, any disease affecting public health. At this juncture, I would suggest that the government should redraw the policy on healthcare by spending a substantial percentage of its GDP on prevention and primary health care. As the old English adage truly and succinctly puts it, prevention is better than cure. Thank you very much.